Well, this is what I ended up making. Sorry I didn't show it. It's been not too fun, but I just got those mandrel bend kits offline. This is 3-inch, and I was able to use 45s and make it work quite nicely. That makes welding a bit easier because then they're a lap weld. And I'm not great at welding, but they're sealed and they're not too bad really. I added these rods here coming off of it to help give it some support in the middle that'll tie on to the factory supports for those two mufflers. But I also put some mounts on the muffler itself at the very back of the car, and really that holds the whole exhaust up, but I just decided to put that rod in the middle for some extra support. I had to put the reducer on at a bit of an angle to get it to clear the car I wanted. I mounted the oxygen sensor bung there on the back side, well, actually the front, which is not ideal. You really want it to be up a little bit so that moisture can't condensate in it, but I'm very limited. The only other option is to mount it kind of horizontal down here somewhere, but then the wire was becoming short, so I'll try it here. If I start going through oxygen sensors, then I guess I'll have to do something different, but I think it'll be okay. That's basically where the factory one was. Here's what I did with the muffler. I just bent up some wire that'll work as the mount locations. I used some stainless filler since it's a stainless muffler, so hopefully it doesn't rot out. Let me try to get this thing together.